So today we will cover the current affairs of the month of November, which is related to banking and finance. So first is Yes Bank and bankbazaar.com together launched a co-branded credit card named FinBooster to measure the creditworthiness of the customers. FinBooster is built around a credit fitness tracker. So Yes Bank and Bank Bazaar launched a credit card. Okay, this credit card will when you use this credit card, you will get rewards. Okay, you can on the platform there are various catalogs. More than 250 catalogs are there, and you can shop. Like you can shop about groceries, and many things are there. So when you shop, then you will get cashback, and that cashback will be available for lifetime. Okay, cashback will not be expired. The cashback will be for lifetime. Clear? So Yes Bank and Bank Bazaar launched a credit card. So for the Yes Bank, it was founded in 2004, and the CEO of Yes Bank, CEO and MD of Yes Bank is Prashant Kumar. And chairperson of Yes Bank is Sunil Mehta. Clear? And the headquarters of Yes Bank is in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Got it? Second is the Federal Bank and Aditya Birla Health Insurance Company Limited entered into a bank assurance partnership. As a part of this alliance, Federal Bank will provide to its customers innovative health insurance solution offered by Aditya Birla Health Insurance Company Limited. Okay, the customers, Federal Bank will provide the insurance to the customers by Aditya Birla Health Insurance and Company. Clear? The customer which and this will be customers of Federal Bank will have this facility like day one cover for asthma, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, and nutrition, etc. If suppose that you take the policy or the insurance on 1st December, and on 2nd December any casualty happened due to high blood pressure or high cholesterol or diabetes, then you will cover under this policy or insurance. Clear? Okay, Federal Bank and Aditya Birla Bank. So about Federal Bank, the headquarters of Federal Bank is in Aluva, which is in Kochi, Kerala. Here, it was founded on 23rd April 1931. Clear? And MD and CEO of Federal Bank is Shyam Srinivasan. Shyam Srinivasan. These are the important facts about Federal Bank which you have to remember. Clear? And the tagline of this particular bank is your perfect banking partner. Your perfect banking partner. So the news was Federal Bank with Aditya Birla Bank collaborated for the insurance. Clear? And this insurance will give a day cover to asthma and high cholesterol diabetes patients. Clear? Headquarters is in Aluva, Kochi, Kerala. Founded on then this year, okay, not the date. 1931. MD and CEO is Shyam Srinivasan, and tagline is "Your perfect banking partner." Clear? And Aditya Birla Health Insurance is everyone knows about Birla Aditya. Parent company is Aditya Birla Capital. And owner of Aditya Birla is who? Kumar Mangalam Birla. Here, parent company is Aditya Birla Capital, and the owner of Aditya Birla Capital is Kumar Mangalam Birla. Screen is not visible. Screen is visible or not? Okay. So the third news is Reserve Bank of India has now appointed Bandhan Bank as an agency bank of the RBI to conduct government business. So first of all, understand this term, which is government business. Government business is what? Government business is all about taxes. Okay, government take taxes from the individuals or companies. Okay, like GST. Okay, direct and indirect taxes. This is the business of government. So RBI appointed Bandhan Bank as an agency bank of RBI to conduct government business. Means now what does it mean? Means now RBI means now Bandhan Bank is able to collect the taxes. Clear? Bandhan Bank now joins several other banks, private banks that have been empaneled as an agency bank of the RBI. Here it is. Bandhan Bank will now be authorized to handle transactions related to GST, VAT, and the collection of state taxes. Clear? So there are 4 banks which have already working as the agency bank of RBI to collect the taxes. Okay, other than Bandhan Bank. So the first one is Kotak Mahindra Bank, and the second one is IndusInd Bank, and the third one is Federal Bank, and the fourth one is Karur Vaisya Bank. Clear? These 4 banks are already working as agency bank, and Bandhan Bank is the 5th one. Clear? So about Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank was founded in 2001 and became NBFC, which is non-banking financial company, in 2015. If in the examination there is a question like when the Bandhan Bank is formed, then you will take 2015. Clear? MD and CEO of Bandhan Bank is Chandrasekhar Ghosh. Okay, CEO is Chandrasekhar Ghosh. Headquarters of Bandhan Bank is in Kolkata. Got it? Clear, everyone? So what was the news? Reserve Bank has now appointed Bandhan Bank as agency bank. 4 banks are there which are already working as agency bank, and the Bandhan Bank is 5th bank. Clear? And for RBI, okay, RBI was founded in 1935. Clear? Headquarter of RBI is in Kolkata. Was in Kolkata actually, and in 1936 it was shifted to Mumbai. Clear? When RBI was founded, its headquarters was in Kolkata. Then in 1936 it was shifted to Mumbai. The first governor of RBI was Osborne Smith, and the first Indian governor of RBI. Anyone knows who was the first Indian governor of RBI? Yeah, very good. Vinuta, very good. It was C.D. Deshmukh. And the present governor of RBI is Shaktikant Das. Clear? Next one. Axis Bank signed an MOU with the Indian Navy to offer a defense service salary package under Power Salute at New Delhi. Through the agreement, the bank will provide several benefits to all the ranks of the Indian Navy veterans and cadets. Okay, all the Indian Navy veterans and cadets, everyone will cover under this defense salary package, which is Power Salute. So about this Power Salute, I am telling you some of the facts. So this will cover accident cover up to 56 lakh rupees. Clear? Accident cover up to 56 lakh rupees, and permanent disability. If any veteran or any cadet get any permanent disability, like if his hand was amputated, okay, or leg was amputated, okay, permanent disability. For permanent disability, up to 46 lakh rupees. Clear? If is there any air casualty, okay, air accident, then it will cover up to 1 crore rupees. And for partial disability, it will cover up to 46 lakh. Accident cover 56 lakhs, permanent disability and partial disability are same, which is 46 lakh, and air accident will cover 1 crore rupees. Clear? So Axis Bank headquarters is in Mumbai. Okay, it was founded in 1993. MD and CEO of Axis Bank is Amitabh Chaudhary. Amitabh Chaudhary. And the tagline of Axis Bank is Bharti ka naam Zindagi. Clear? Headquarters is in Mumbai, founded in 1993. Amitabh Chaudhary is MD and CEO, and the tagline is Bharti ka naam Zindagi. Got it? And in this question, there is a second fact, which is ICICI Bank also renewed its MOU with an Indian Army to offer enhanced benefits and new features through its defense salary account. Okay, ICICI Bank provide ICICI Bank with Army and Axis Bank with Indian Navy. Clear? ICICI renewed actually. It has also did this, which is defense salary account. Now it is renewed. Okay. So about ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank was founded in 1955. Headquarters is in Mumbai. Clear? And CEO of ICICI Bank is Sandeep Bakshi. And the tagline of ICICI Bank is Khayal Aapka. Khayal Aapka. Clear? Now the next. The RBI has issued a revised prompt corrective action framework for banks to enable supervisory intervention at appropriate time and also act as a tool for effective marketing discipline, capital assets quality, and the leverage will be the key areas for monitoring the revised framework. The revised PCA framework will be effective from January 1, 2022. The framework was last revised in April 2017. Clear? So in this framework, actually, value of NPA of the particular bank is calculated. Okay, NPA means non-performing assets. Okay, so in this particular framework, the NPA value of the bank is calculated, and the capital of the bank, and what is the assets quality of the bank, liquidity of the bank, these all things are calculated according to this framework. And this framework, which was last revised in 2017, okay, now will be affected from 1 January 2022. I have already told about RBI 1935. Osborne Smith was the first governor, and C.T. Deshmukh was the first Indian governor, and the present governor is Shaktikant Das. Okay, this is all for RBI, and headquarters is in Mumbai. The next one is, everyone is understanding or not? Firstly, answer me. Okay. So the State Bank of India has launched a video life certificate service for pensioners. This new facility will allow pensioners to submit their life certificates via video from their homes. This facility is available for pensioners other than family pensioners. Thus, the spouse of the pensioner receiving a pension from the government will not be able to use this facility. What does it mean? See, if any pensioner want to get its pension, then this is must that the particular person will show or submit its life certificate. Okay, that he is alive or not. So in every year, in the month of November, every pensioner receiver will have to certificate. It is mandatory. Will have to submit its certificate that he is alive, then so as his pension will be continued. Clear? So now State Bank of India has launched a video life certificate. So through this video life certificate, the pensioner will show its certificate via video call, but it is mandatory that the pensioner, okay, the pensioner must be there. This will be ratified by the face of the receiver and the life certificate of the receiver. If any spouse of the pensioner receiver will show its certificate, then it will not be valid. Clear? The pensioner receiver must be there. Okay, the real face of that pensioner receiver and its life certificate, so that the particular person will get the pension. Okay, like there is husband and wife. If his husband has died, then wife is able to receive the pension, but this is not for the wife, because this is not because this wife is not will not be able to show the this wife will not be able to show the certificate and the face of that person because he has died. That is why it is not for the spouses. Okay, this only for the person here. Gautam, I've explained from collective action plans. This is all about corrective action plans. This will check. This will value the NPA of the particular bank. The capital of what is the capital of the particular bank? Because in today's time, many of the banks, I think you heard about the bank that they have no more capital. Okay, their assets quality is not good. Okay, their liquidity value is not good. Then they will become bankrupt. Okay, and this is really bad for the economy. So that is why the RBI has issued this prompt corrective action plan, that so that RBI can have the information about all these capital assets quality of the particular banks. Okay, that is why this action plan and this action framework, you can say, is made. Clear? So I have explained all about this. And for SBI was founded in 1955, 1st July 1955. And MD and CEO of SBI is? No, everyone knows. Who is the MD and CEO of SBI? Now understand, Gautam? Okay. CEO of SBI, anyone knows? Yeah, very good, Vinuta. Dinesh Kumar Khara. Yeah. So the next one is the RBI has launched its first global hackathon named Harbinger 2021, Innovation for Transformation. The theme of Harbinger is smarter digital payments. Okay, learn this theme. The hackathon invites participants to identify and develop solutions that have the potential to make digital payments accessible to the underserved and hence the ease of the payments. Actually, this is all about cyber security and make the digital payments very clear. Okay, and the security of the digital payments. Okay, the ideas, actually all about ideas. If any idea, RBI committee or RBI members who are participated in this innovation and transformation hackathon, then they will adopt that idea. Okay, if they find the idea relevant. Experience while strengthening the security. Okay, which I have said, strengthening the security of digital payments. For the security of the digital payments, okay, because and promote customer protection. So this is all about us, actually, security of digital payments on the online platforms like Paytm, okay, PhonePe, like this, and promote customer protection. So for about this Harbinger 2021, there are various members who participated in this, okay, from many countries and from India also, and the winner will get 40 lakhs rupees. Okay, whose idea RBI find innovative? 40 lakh rupees. Winner will get 40 lakhs of rupees as cash reward, and 20 lakh runner-up. Runner-up will get 20 lakh rupees. Clear? Got it, everyone? Where will what is the thing you should remember about RBI? I've explained 2 times, and the theme of this particular hackathon, and the prize money, and for what this hackathon is organized. Clear? Okay. Okay. Hackathon means what? Okay. So hackathon is the, you can say, it is the event where a very large number of people meet. Okay, very large number of people engage in a programming or computer programming or collaborative ideas to share their ideas. Okay, it is all about the meeting of large number of people. You can say it hackathon. Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi has launched 2 innovative customer-centric initiatives. For customer-centric means for customers, of the Reserve Bank of India. These initiatives are the RBI Retail Direct Scheme and RBI's Integrated Ombudsman Scheme. There will be a single point of reference for customers to file their complaints, submit their documents, track status, and provide feedback. So this is initiative for the customers to the customer which have complaints, okay, about these initiatives, then they can file the complaint, okay, submit their documents and the status, and know everything about these schemes and provide the feedback. Okay, so what does Retail Direct Scheme means? Retail Direct Scheme means that the retailers, okay, the retailers now able to purchase government securities without any restrictions. Before that, firstly understand what is government security. Okay, when government needs money, then government sell its security. Okay, a paper. This is a paper. So government sell its security to RBI, and RBI provide money to the government of India. Clear? Government sell its security to Reserve Bank of India, and RBI give money to the particular government of the country. Clear? So now RBI will get money from whom? RBI will get money from the banks, commercial banks. Okay, so this palette, you can say, this government security, RBI will sell this government security to the banks. Then bank give them money, and the bank takes the government security. So for the government security, only the banks are participated in the business of the government, or in selling or purchasing of the government securities, like banks and insurance companies. Okay, now retailers are able to purchase government security from RBI. Clear? Without any restriction. So it is the Retail Direct Scheme. Now retailers are able to purchase the government securities. Clear? And the second scheme, which is integrated ombudsman scheme. I will explain in the next news. Okay. Now clear what is retail direct scheme? Firstly tell me everyone understand that what is government security? Try fast. Have you understand or not? So the next one is ADB, Asian Development Bank, has approved US dollar 250 million loan to support India's National Industrial Corridor Development Program. Asian Development Bank will gave us loan actually of 250 million US dollars, okay, which is about 1875 crore. So the government of India has a proposal of 11 industrial corridors. Okay, this is loan for 11 industrial corridors, out of which 5 corridors is in the progress. 5 corridors are in the progress in making. Okay, clear? 11 industrial corridor is to be made by the government of India. It is a proposal, and out of 5 are in progress. Okay, there. And about Asian Development Bank. Asian Development Bank was founded in 1966. Headquarters are in Manila, Philippines. And Masatsugu Asakawa learn Asakawa. Okay. His name is really difficult. Asakawa. Asakawa is the CEO of which bank? ADB Bank, Asian Development Bank, and the vice president. You have to learn the vice president of ADB because it is Ashok Lavasa. Ashok Lavasa. He is Indian. Clear? Vice president of Asian Development Bank is Ashok Lavasa. Clear? Now the next one, government approves interest rate on EPF. EPF is Employee Provident Fund for financial year 21 at 8.5%. It is informative news. The government approves interest rate on EPF for financial year 21 at 8.5%. Clear? The rate has been actually kept unchanged in 2019 and 20. The rate was same, 8.5%. Clear? The government has said that due to COVID, this rate will be decreased to 8%, but the government don't do this, and the rate is 8.5% now, same as the previous year. Okay. The next one is Kotak Mahindra Bank has partnered with the NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India, to launch credit cards of the RuPay network named Veer Credit Card for the armed forces. Okay, Kotak Mahindra Bank with NPCI to launch Veer Credit Card for armed forces. So first of all, what are armed forces? Like Air Force, Navy, Army, CISF, CRPF, Assam Rifles. These all are the armed forces. So for this, Kotak Mahindra Bank has partnered with NPCI. Clear? For the credit card on the RuPay network. Okay. So Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank, and the headquarter of Kotak Mahindra Bank is Mumbai. And everyone knows the CEO of Kotak Mahindra Bank, Uday Kotak. And the tagline of Kotak Mahindra Bank is "Let's make money simple." Let's make money simple. Clear? Headquarter of Kotak Mahindra Bank is in Mumbai. Uday Kotak is MD. And "Let's make money simple" is the tagline of Kotak Mahindra Bank. And yeah, it was founded in 2003. Clear? And yeah, the fact which has come into my mind is that ICICI Bank was the first bank to initiate actually debit and credit cards. Okay. ICICI Bank firstly introduced the debit and credit cards. It's the fact actually you should know. NPCI, about NPCI. It was founded in 2008, headquartered in Mumbai, and CEO is Dilip Asbe. Clear? Dilip Asbe is the CEO. RBI publishes a statement to support greening India financial system. So this is what how a bank can support greening India financial system. So it is about it will provide loans to green housing finance, like any builder came for the loan. Okay, and the builders said that we will make apartments, and in every apartment we will settle greenery. Okay, we will plant trees on the roof or anything on the walls. Okay, on the walls there is an initiative that on the walls there must be grass. Okay, if anyone can say, so this is all about the greening. Okay, if anyone came for the renewable energy loan, that we will support renewable energy, then it will also about greening. Okay, it will also good for the nature and ecology of India. So this is all about that. Okay, if RBI helps in greening India financial system. Okay. Next one is Brickwork rating project India's GDP at 10 to 10.5% in financial year 2022. Actually, Brickwork is Indian company. Okay, Indian company. Its headquarter is in Mumbai or Bangalore? Bangalore. Okay. Its headquarter is in Bangalore. Like I think you have heard about Moody's, Fitch, Rich and Poor's. Okay, Moody's, Fitch, Rich and Poor's. These are the international organization, you can say, which protects the GDPs. Okay, they give the various reports. These are the international organization. Brickwork is Indian Indian company, and CARE is also Indian, and ICRA. These all are the Indian companies. Clear? So learn this 10 to 10.5% for the financial year 2022. Liberty General Insurance Limited has partnered with PhonePe to offer motor insurance digitally. Clear? So Liberty General Insurance partnered with PhonePe to offer motor insurance digitally. Means you can purchase Liberty General Insurance policy, okay, through the PhonePe. You can pay on PhonePe and you can directly purchase the motors insurance, actually motor insurance. Okay, you can directly purchase the motor insurance digitally by paying on the PhonePe. Clear? So PhonePe, the headquarter of PhonePe is in Bangalore. The headquarter of PhonePe is in Bangalore. MD and CEO is Samir Nikam and was founded in December 2015. Clear? And the parent company of PhonePe is Flipkart. Parent company is Flipkart. And you heard about Walmart. And for Walmart, the parent company is also Flipkart. Okay, the parent company of Walmart is also Flipkart. National Internet Exchange of India under Ministry of Electronics and Information Tech has launched digital payment gateway to make the internet accessible to everyone. Actually, NTSE has now launched its own digital payment gateway. This is it. Nothing important in this news. Next one, Assam government and World Bank has signed a memorandum of understanding for rupees 770 crore loan to promote inland water transport. Okay, inland water, like there is any river in the particular state which is Assam. Okay, then World Bank will provide loan of 770 crore to make facilities for the transportation in the inland water. Okay, so World Bank, its headquarters is in Washington, D.C. It was founded in July 1944, and David Malpass is the president of World Bank. And World Bank is also called Bretton Woods twins because in 1944, the Bretton Woods Convention, you can say, was organized. And in that Bretton Woods Convention, World Bank and IMF, International Monetary Fund, these both bank to be settled. Okay, so that is why these both World Bank and IMF are called Bretton Woods twins. Clear? Are you grasping anything? Are you grasping everything? Or is there, okay, clear. Next news is RBI has lifted restriction imposed on 23rd April 2021 with immediate effect on the credit card issuer Diners Club International Limited. Actually, RBI has imposed restrictions on the company which is Diners Club International Limited. Now RBI lifted the restrictions. Now, when the RBI make restriction, then the bank or company is not able to what? To deposit, to take the deposits, clear? And to provide loans. Okay. There is one more thing which is important about RBI. The governor of RBI is Shaktikant Das, and there are 4 more deputy governors. Okay, so learn all the name. First one is Mahesh Kumar Jain. 4 deputy governors. Okay, Mahesh Kumar Jain. Second is MD Patra. Third one is M Rajeshwar Rao. And fourth one is T Ravi Shankar. Clear? Learn all the names, and the governor is Shaktikant Das. RBI has imposed strict restriction on business activities on Maharashtra-based Babaji Date Mahila Sahkari Bank, including imposing a withdrawal limits of rupees 5,000. Now the customers of this particular bank can only withdraw 5,000 rupees. Okay, doesn't matter 1 crore rupees is in your account or 2,000 rupees is in your account. Okay, you only withdraw 5,000 rupees. If you have the bank balance of 1 crore, you can only withdraw 5,000 rupees. If you have 2,000 rupees, then you can withdraw 2,000 rupees. Clear? So the RBI imposed the restriction. Okay, the RBI imposed restriction according to Banking Regulation Act 1949. Okay, by this act, RBI imposed the restrictions because any investor came in India, then firstly they will check what is the banking system. Okay, what is the banking system of the country? What is the financial status of the country or the developing country? India is a developing country, so investor came and then before coming they check this. So that is why RBI actually interfere in the banking system, because it is not good for it is not good for any economy if any bank will get bankrupt. Okay, it is not good. So that is why RBI restricted that bank, okay, to make its condition better. Sangamesh, it is okay. I will explain you, but it is really big procedure and time limitation is really less. I have to cover the whole November current affairs. In the next lecture, I will definitely explain. Okay. Yeah, you will actually, you make me remember, then I will explain. RBI launches integrated ombudsman scheme 2021 by integrating the old ombudsman scheme. So what is ombudsman? It is a grievances redressal system. Okay, you can RBI launches integrated ombudsman scheme. Okay, it is all about the grievances. You can file your grievances. The banking customer can file their grievances. Okay, so there were 3 ombudsman scheme. First one is the banking ombudsman scheme. Banking ombudsman scheme, which was came in 2006. Second one was NBFC ombudsman scheme, which was came in 2018. Non-banking financial company ombudsman scheme 2018, and the digital transaction ombudsman scheme. Okay, there were 3 schemes 2019. Learn this 2006, 2018 and 19. Okay, for banking customers the scheme was this. For NBFC the scheme was this, and for if there is any problem in the digital transaction, then anyone can file its ombudsman its problem or its grievances, okay, according to the schemes. But now these all 3 schemes are integrated and now become the integrated ombudsman scheme. Clear? Now it is about one nation, one ombudsman. Clear? And there is only one fact which is important about this ombudsman scheme. Now, there are two types of banks. First is scheduled and second non-scheduled. So now non-scheduled cooperative banks are also came under this scheme, and the bank which have deposit up to 50 crore, more than 50 crore. Clear? The bank which have deposits more than 50 crore now under this scheme, non-scheduled cooperative banks. Before in all these three scheme, non-scheduled banks are not covered. So now in this new scheme, now non-scheduled banks are covered, which have deposits more than 50 crore rupees. Okay, these banks are brought into this particular scheme. Now, HDFC Bank has announced its integration with the government's National Agriculture Market, ENAM. ENAM portal, you know about ENAM portal, it was launched in 2016. Okay, so this is for the collaboration of, this ENAM portal is for farmers and companies. Actually, suppose there is a vendor, there is a person who has juice business. Okay, he sells juice and he need sugar cane for making of juice. Okay, so he will contact the farmer directly by this portal to have sugar cane. Okay, so if you so for the payment purpose, HDFC entered. Okay, you can pay the money or receive the money by the through the HDFC bank. Here it is the old portal which was launched in 2016, but HDFC takes step in this portal for the payment purpose. So now for HDFC headquarter is Mumbai. Shashidhar Jagdishan, CEO and MD. Clear? And we understand your word. We understand your word is tagline of HDFC Bank, and it was founded in 1994. The RBI has projected the CPI inflation at 5.3% for the 2021 and 2022. Actually, this data is released by NSO, National Statistical Office. Okay, National Statistical Office. Mobi quick launches RuPay card in partnership with NPCI, Axis and Axis Bank. Okay, nothing to know in this particular news. Remember this, Mobi quick launches RuPay card with partnership NPCI, Axis Bank. Now UCO Bank signed a co-lending agreement with Aadhar Housing Finance to provide convenient home finance solution or home loans to customers from the economically weaker sections. Actually, UCO Bank will provide loans for the housing purpose. Okay, if anyone want to purchase the house, then UCO Bank will provide the loan for the economically weaker section and lower and middle income groups. Clear? Then about UCO Bank. UCO Bank was founded in 1943, headquartered in Kolkata, and head MD and CEO is Atul Kumar Goyal. Atul Kumar Goyal. Clear? Yeah, and tagline of UCO Bank is honors your trust. Honors your trust. Now, BharatPay launches the world's first merchant shareholding program for its merchant partners. Actually, BharatPay will provide IPO. IPO means initial public offering in 2024. So that is why he should have the worth, or you can say value of $1 billion. Okay, to have the, actually you can say the respect in the share market. Okay, so that everyone will purchase the shares of BharatPay in 2014. Clear? Because investors always check the market value of the particular company to buy the shares. So that is why BharatPay launches the world's first merchant shareholding program for its merchant partners. Okay, who are the partners of the BharatPay? The partners of the company BharatPay. Clear? That is why BharatPay launched the shareholding program. Clear? It is program which is about $100 million, and this program is for the merchant customers. Okay, it is an opportunity to buy shares of the BharatPay. Now, the last news. Paytm Money has launched voice trading powered by artificial intelligence. Clear? Informative. And the last one, UBS projects India's GDP growth forecast 9.5 for financial year 22. Clear? 9.5%, 7.7%, and 6%. 9.5% is for 22, and 23 for 23, 7.7, and for 24, 6%. Okay, and the UBS headquarters is in Switzerland. Here, this is all for the November current affairs of banking and finance. Voice trading is you can purchase or sell shares by your voice. Okay, you don't have to type. You can have the knowledge or understanding about the shares as you search on Google, like this. You can trade by your voice. Now we are winding up our session. Thank you, everyone.